She found it. ¿Cuál es el apartamento? ¿Tercero? ¿Segundo? ¿Tercero o segundo?
Anda, ven.
Come over here. Come over here.
¿Tercero o segundo piso?
You want me to get covered?
She has 2 kids up there too, though.
What do you want me? Want me to get lawn cover up here?
Well, just come, since you have the rifle, come up here with me.
All right.
You want to stand right there? Campbell, watch the patio. Houston Police! Hey, watch the fucking patio! Watch the patio on me! 18 Frank 60, shots fired. Campbell! 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 Campbell, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'll watch the door.
Hey, I need somebody to watch the patio in case he comes out.
I'm in a bad spot.
Huh?
I'm in a bad spot, bro.
So, I mean, I'm watching the patio, dude. I can't stop looking at this patio.
Yeah, I got you.
18 Frank 60. Give me more units out here. ¿Tercero? Segundo. ¿Tercero o segundo?
Anda, ven.
Hey, come over here. Come over here.
¿Tercero o segundo piso?
You want me to get cover?
She has 2 kids up there too, though.
What do you want me?
Watch this.
Want me to get lawn cover up here?
Just come, since you have the rifle, come up here with me.
All right.
Houston Police!
Eighty Frank 52. Shots fired at us.
Hey, watch the fucking patio! Watch the patio on me! Frank 60 shots fired. Campbell! 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 Campbell, you good?
Stan, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm watching the door.
Yeah, need somebody to watch the patio in case he comes out.
Santana, I'm in a bad spot. I'm in a bad spot, bro.
I mean, I'm watching the patio, dude. I can't stop looking at this patio.
Yeah, I got you.
Juan, come on with your hands up.
Santana, do not come down the stairs. I'm at the back hallway.
That's fine. I'm just
Come over here. Come over here.
Tercero, segundo.
Go this way. Go this way. You want me to get cover?
She has 2 kids up there too.
Hey,
What do you want me?
watch this.
Want me to get lawn cover up here?
Like from the street or from right here?
Just come, since you have the rifle, come up here with me.
All right.
5-2, hold the air. I'm checking the apartment now.
Campbell, Hey, you need me, man? Hey, why is the fucking bag?
Shots fired, shots fired. Hey, come here, come here.
Mano, está quebrada. Ayúdenme, por favor.
Dos, uno, dos, tres, anda, señora.
Por favor, ayúdenme.
Sí. Ay, yo sé. You shot, or you hit. She just jumped out the window.
Aquí nomás, aquí nomás.
No. Vamos, anda.
Right here in the safe corner. All right, we got her moved around the corner. Ladder's coming.
Ladder's coming.
Okay, just wait.
Give me 20 seconds.
Clear. The ladder's coming.
Hey, watch out. Go.
Ladder you're seeing?
One this way.
All right, let's pull back in. Well, bring the ladder with you.
This way.
I don't want him to have.
Just stay with them. You've been talking to them.
I just walked into the living room.
Hey, doors open, I can hear you. You ready?
Hey, come here. Come here. See your hands. Let me see your hands. Yeah, come here. We got it. Hey, come to the sound of my voice. Come to the sound of my voice. Spanish speaker. Hey, come to me. Come to the sound of my voice.
Oye, todo está bien. Con la mano arriba, solo estar afuera.
Hey, he's not speaking Spanish.
Pones atención a lo que te decimos, nada te va a pasar, ven hacia nosotros, con las manos arriba.
Come here. Come here.
Nada te va a pasar.
Hey, tell him to stop.
Párate ahí,
Tell him to get on the ground. On the ground.
Date la vuelta,
On the ground. Let's move.
date la vuelta. All right, párate ahí.
Give me your hand. Watch your hand. Yeah. Hey, can you just up the stairs? Looks like he has an injury to his hand. Turn over.
Where he shot? Your finger? Brandon, he shot in the
Stand up. You got it.
Yeah.
Just keep your hands behind you, bro. Keep your hands behind you.
There you go.
Just cuffing the gurney. I got you. Let me see your hand, man. Huh? Oh, okay.
Yeah, what we'll undo is we'll undo this. It's not your key. It's the cuffs. All right, we're gonna take you in the ambulance, take a look at this hand, a little better look, okay? Get you checked out.